Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial video, we will do how to sign out of Netflix on all devices. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. The first thing you need to do is to tap on the Chrome browser. You can do that on your phones or on your laptop or PC as well. You can do that on the application available on your phone as well. The next thing you need to do is to access netflix.com. And from there, you need to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Once you tap on that one, just below your profile, you will find the account option. So once you tap on account option, just scroll down a bit and where you will find manage access and devices. You need to tap here. And from here, you will find the devices which are logged in to your account. Here, as you can see, one is Hisense Smart TV, the other one is PC Chrome web browser. So you can do that individually as well. You can sign out, just tap on the sign out option under every individual device. Or if you want to sign out of all devices, just tap on sign out of all devices. This is a really good option if you logged into multiple devices and now you forget, so you can come to this page and where you will find all the devices here. Just one tap, sign out of all devices, and every device will be signed out from your account. So this is all it takes to sign out of Netflix on all devices. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.